Hello. This quick video is going to show you how to take a screenshot from the Mac side of your laptop and save it as a PDF so that you can upload it into Google Classroom. So from right here, this is what the part that I'm going to take a screenshot of. And to do that, I'm going to press on my laptop on the Mac side, Command-Shift-4. And doing that turns my arrow into a little crosshairs. And now I'm going to click and drag across the part of my screen that I want to change into a PDF. And when I release, it's going to take a screenshot, and I'm going to go look, and it should show up right about here. There it is. I'm going to scoot it over, and if I open it up, you can see this is the screenshot. Now, to change it to PDF, I'm going to open my Google Chrome. I'm going to go to google.com, and now I'm going to click and drag my screenshot into the search bar, which opens it up into a web page. So from here in the top right corner, there's these three little dots. I'm going to click the three little dots. I'm going to go down to print. Now, on my print screen, right here where it says destination, usually yours is going to say your district printer, which is Uniflow, AirPrint, or if you have installed a personal printer from home, it'll have your printer listed there. But we're going to choose Save as PDF. And notice also there is a save to Google Drive option. I haven't tried that, but it could save this as a Google Doc directly into your Google Drive. So as a PDF, I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to click Save. And the new window pops up, and I'm going to call this Distance Learning. I'm going to save it on my desktop, and then click Save. And as I minimize my screen here, notice here is my Distance Learning PDF. And now I can upload that into Google Classroom. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.